the same chapter Ulashya Achar, and the first part is already linked in the description. Now before starting the lesson, let me revise the lesson in summarize. See students, before in the previous part you have seen that once there was one young one of baby Jataka who was very much afflicted by the thirst. He goes near to his mother and says, "Oh mother, I am afflicted by thirst. I wish to drink water." Mother advises him that we cannot drink the lake water, as it is our family tradition. We can only drink the cloud water or rain water. But baby again says to mother that I am very much afflicted by thirst. Right now, at present, I do not see clouds in the sky. So when will the rain shower and when will I get the water? And I am that much afflicted by thirst, so I cannot wait for the rain water. Mother again advises to the baby Jataka that we cannot do like this. This is not our family tradition, and family tradition should be always preserved, should be always protected. So bear your trust and wait for the rain water. Up to here we have already seen in our first part. Now let me see the further story. जनन्यः कथनम् अश्रुत्वा चातकशिशुः तडागजलं पातुं तडागं गन्तुं निर्गच्छति. जनन्याः कथनम्. Kathanam means speech. Students, you will note down this word meaning also. Jananyaha kathanam ashrutva. Ashrutva means by not listening. Jananyaha kathanam ashrutva Chataka Shishuha Tadaga Jalam. Chatak Shishu means young one of Chataka, and Tadaga Jalam means water of the lake. Patum. Patum means to drink. Patum means to drink. Gantum nirgacchati. Gantum means to go, and nirgacchati exist. Nirgacchati. By not listening the advice of mother, the young one of Jataka, the baby Jataka, exists to go to the lake to drink the lake water. The young one of Jataka exists to go to the lake to drink the lake water by not listening the advice of his mother. Further, marge parishrantah. Marge is on the way. Parishantah means tired. Saha yada. Yada means when. Saha yada ekasya kushakasya bhukasya samipe tishtati. Ekasya means one of. Kushakasya प्रेतर्द्वन्द्व कंपाउंड तातः च पुत्रः च तात पुत्रयोः वार्तालापः वार्तालापः means conversation तात पुत्रयोः वार्तालापः शृणोति in the very first line, by not listening the speech of mother, the baby Jataka exists to go to drink the lake water. Meanwhile, on the way, he was standing near one farmer's house. So, story is like this, that by not listening the advice which is given by his mother, the young one of Jataka exists to go to the lake to drink the lake water. Now, when he goes on the way, he was tired, so he stands near one farmer's house. Now, there he hears the conversation which took place between an old farmer and his son. So, baby Jataka is listening the conversation of the father and the son which took place, and by this he is happy. कृषकः वृद्धः मरणासन्न च आसीत्. कृषकः, now here they are describing the farmer, that how he was. कृषकः means farmer, वृद्धः means old, मरणासन्न on his that bed. कृषकः वृद्धः मरणासन्न च आसीत्. वृद्ध means old and मरणासन्न means on his deathbed. Here this word मरणासन्न is made out of compound. Here you can see the Dvitiya Tattpurush compound. This word is made out of two nouns, Marnam plus Asannah. Marnam plus Asannah means Marnasan. It is of Dvitiya Tattpurush compound. Krushakah Buddhah Marnasana cha Ashit. The farmer is old and he is near to his death. So he is on his death bed. He is near to die. तस्य समीपे स्थितः. तस्य means he is समीपे. समीपे means near. स्थितः by standing. To stand, right? स्थितः means to stand. तस्य समीपे स्थितः. तस्य पुत्रः. तस्य पुत्र means his son. Tasme. Tasme means to him. To him means old farmer. Tasme Krushikaya farmer kathayati. Kathayati means tells. Kathayati tells. तातः अद्य मार्गे मया धनस्यूतः प्राप्तः. तातः means father. Oh father, अद्य मार्गे मया. This word अद्य means today. मार्गे, this word already we have mentioned, on the way. Maya means to me. Adya marge maya dhanashyutah. See, this word is made out of two words. Dhan means money and shyutah containing money. So bag with full of money. Here they are telling us that मध्यमार्गे मया धनस्यूतः प्राप्तः. प्राप्तः means receive or got or receive. So here, by not listening the mother's advice, baby Jataka exists to go to the lake to drink the lake water. Meanwhile, on the way, he is tired, so he stands near the house of farmer, at the house of farmer, and at that place he heard the conversation which took place between father and his son, one old farmer and his son. And after this, the son is conversing with his father. He says to his father, he tells his father that Adya marge maya dhanashuta praptah. Today on the way, I got one bag with full of money, and this was the conversation which took place between a father and his son. The father is old, he is on his deathbed, is near to die. Now, his son goes near to him and he converses with his father, his old father, that, "Oh father, today on the way, I got one bag with full of money." तस्य दर्शनात् आनंदः जातः. तस्य means of its, दर्शनात् by seeing, आनंद means happy. So the son is telling to his father that when I have seen that bag with full of money, I feel pleased, I feel happy when I have seen that bag with full of money. And further he says that तेन मदीयं दारिद्र्यं नष्टं भविष्यति इति विचार्य धनस्यूतग्रहणाय अहं हस्तं प्रासारयम्. Students, first of all, note down this word in your notebook. Afterwards, we will continue the same chapter. So, tasya darshanartha ananda jatah. When I have seen that bag with full of money, I feel happy, delighted by seeing it. तेन मदीयं दारिद्र्यं नष्ट भविष्यति. तेन, by it, मदीयं of my, दारिद्र्यं means day, I was thinking in my mind that if I will receive this bag of wealth, if I will take this bag of wealth, then my poverty will come to an end. Here we have taken nashtam. Nashtam means destroy, but we can see that nashtam means and also. We can use that word as a and also. So here in this particular line, they want to say us that I have found today, Father, I have found a bag with full of money, and its size delighted me, thinking that my poverty will come to an end. I was about to take that bag. Means I have spread my hand, or I was rich to take that bag. किंतु तदेव मया भवदीय उपदेश स्मृतः. किंतु means but. But Tadeva, here two words are there. Tadeva means tada plus eva means then only. Tada plus eva then only. Kintu Tadeva Bhavadiya Upadeshah. Bhavadiya means yours. Upadesha means advice. Smrutava. Smrutava means remember. Anyasya dhanasya grahanam asmakam kulacharana iti. Anyasya means of others. Dhanasya means wealth. Grahanam, that word already we have mentioned previously. Anyasya, dhanasya, grahanam means already mentioned, but then also to take. Na asmakam, not our kulacharah. Our kulachara means family tradition. So the son is conversing with his father, and he says that, "Oh father, today a money bag was found by me on the way, and its sight delighted me. When I have seen that bag, I was happy by seeing that bag. I found myself happy and pleased that if I will take this bag, then my poverty will destroy, or it will destroy. But at the same moment, then only I remember the advice which is given by you. At the same moment, I remember the advice which is given by you to me, that to take someone else's money is not our family tradition. To take someone else's money is not our family tradition, and it is not our family tradition to take the money which belongs to others. अतः अहं तं धनुषितं तत्रैव अत्यजत्. अतः means so. अतः means so. अतः अहं तं धनुषितं. Tam means that. Dhanashita, bag, that is money. Tatreva, here you can see two words. Tatra plus eva, that only. Tatreva, atyajam. Atyajam means left. same place. I have kept the bag at the same place. So in this last line, they want to say us that when I was reached out my hand to take that bag. At the same moment, I remember that you have told to me that it is not our family tradition to take someone's money, to take someone's wealth. So I left the bag at the same place. I have not taken that bag from that place. So students, here our second part is over. You may note down these words in your notebook, and you may see the third video. In third part, we are going to discuss the further lesson. Note down the things in your notebook.